Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you actually have Steam backup files and locating that folder. Once found, quit Steam completely so files aren't locked. Check Task Manager to make sure no game processes remain. Make sure you know which game matches each backup and have your Steam credentials handy because you may need to log back in. Now open the Steam client and go to the top menu to begin the restoration process. This first step gets everything safe and ready. You'll use Steam's built-in restore flow. From library, choose games, then backup and restore games, and pick restore a previous backup. Next, point Steam to the exact backup folder you located earlier. It will enumerate available backups. Select the target game, choose the installation destination, and decide whether to overwrite existing files. Steam will then copy and verify files. This can take time depending on size. Once the restore completes, you finish by launching the restored game to confirm everything runs. Steam may apply updates or additional downloads when you start it, so allow that. If the game fails to run, open its properties, choose local files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files to repair missing or corrupted files. Make sure the install folder has proper permissions and there's enough disk space. If problems persist, recheck the original backup, files for corruption, or try restoring to a different drive as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.